Okay, so first a little bit of backstory. The day before I left for this trip was my 20th birthday, and so I planned it as sort of a birthday present to myself. A month earlier I'd found some super cheap flights to Milan and I'd never been to Italy, so I booked them as well as 8 days off work. I realised there was so many places I wanted to go to in Italy, but I managed to narrow it down to Milan, Florence and Naples. So this is my unplanned and disorganised trip around Italy.
Andrea, I'm from Milano, no, I'm from Como. This is my best friend from Manchester, but...
And the sun's come out, which is amazing because it said it was going to be raining all day. I have to go and get my raincoat.
Look at this beautiful thing.
Rain is coming. Wearing sandals.
Apparently, this is one of the most beautiful drives ever. This is where me and Megan are sat. Oh, and more people.